How to delete all photos in Google Photos. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Google Photos on a device. Now if you want to bulk delete all of the last photos and videos on Google Photos, tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now simply tap on Manage Storage. Now select last photos and videos. Now tap on Select. Now simply tap on Select All. Now simply tap on Move to Trash. Tap on Got It and tap on Move to Trash. If you want to delete all the photos, simply go back. Now select the photo. Now select the month. Now repeat the same process for all of the months on Google Photos and tap on Trash. This is the only possible way to delete all of the photos on Google Photos in Android. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.